Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Shorts filters. Filters can make your YouTube Shorts stand out by enhancing colors, lighting, and effects, whether you want a cinematic feel or a fun look. YouTube provides built-in filters to improve your content, so let's go through how to use them effectively. The first step is to open the YouTube Shorts camera, and to do that, just tap on the plus button. Go to the YouTube app, and click on the plus button right here in the bottom middle. Click on it and click on video. And to start record, just click on this option right here and open the settings and give YouTube the permission to access the camera and microphone. As you can see, allow only when you use an app. Let's go back to YouTube. Now the camera is on. As you can see here, now we apply the effects. Now to apply filters before recording, tap the filters icon to browse different effects and select a filter that matches your video style. Let's see here if there's a filter option. As you can see, there are many filters on my screen. It changes depending on which one I choose. Like this is in black and white. Now select a filter that matches your video style, and we go to the third step where you edit and post your short. Now after you recording, you can adjust the brightness and I'm gonna record a demonstration video like this one. I'll just click on OK. And here you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation using additional editing tools, and you can add description, set the visibility option from public, private, etc. And you can even add locations or add to a playlist, etc. Now after that, after recording, tap upload by clicking on the next button right here. You can also edit the thumbnail. Now we're just gonna skip this phase because it requires verification. Now to upload, just click on next and fill in the informations, and that's it. That's how you get YouTube Shorts filter. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.